got into fostering through my husband actually, after 24 years of working in schools. My husband, we decided to both have a career change, and my husband sent off for the forms, and we went from there really. I think every day is a reward day. There's always something with a little one that you develop and you see, which is a hurdle. The rewards of fostering for us as a family were the children coming through the door and the development that they made whilst they were there, and everybody within the family working together and reconnecting. Yes, there are challenges through fostering, and they are mainly just working with the child that you have through your home and helping them through the process of settling and becoming part of your family. If there's any illnesses, being their advocate really, and fighting for them to get them through and where they need to be. Positives fostering on my own children, they appreciate everything they've got. They are able to share and understand the needs of a child, and which prepares them for, life. It's a life journey. Everything's life. So they know, having babies in the house, they know how to look after a baby. Their understanding is developed. And they're good. They're good role models for the children coming through the door. If you're considering fostering, I would say don't hesitate. Do it. You provide. It's so overwhelming, all the feelings that you have, and the bad. There are times where you think, oh, I can't do this, but the good oversees that. It's amazing. It's amazing. I wish I'd done it years and years and years ago. But yes, it's amazing when you see the children walk in to when they walk out. It's hard, but you get through there. You get through there as a family. You get through there with your friends' support.